Klaxon is an organization that aims to support all economic sectors in the implementation of cleaning, disinfection, and safety solutions. One of our most effective and safest solutions, due to its high performance and broad spectrum of action, are our organic chlorine effervescent tablets, Klaxon Tabs Detchlorg. Active ingredient, sodium dichloroisocyanurate, together with its surfactant components, makes this product a powerful detergent and disinfectant. In addition to cleaning and removing organic matter, it is virucidal, bactericidal, sporicidal, and fungicidal. These tablets are biodegradable and planet-friendly, with a neutral pH, so they do not affect the skin, damage surfaces, or corrode. They do not contain phosphates, and clothing does not stain if the product splashes. No rinsing is required, saving water. Klaxon Tabs Detchlorg efficiently destroys microorganisms, protecting all surfaces for 24 hours. Each tablet has a stability of 48 hours in parts per million once diluted in the atomizer. Using Klaxon Tabs is very easy. First, add 1 tablet to 1 liter of water, wait for it to dissolve completely, close the sprayer, and apply the solution to a cloth. Pass the cloth over any surface only once. This offers an intelligent, safe, and sustainable alternative that generates significant savings in natural resources and industry, with no adverse effects on people's health. Klaxon Tabs do not require water during production. The traditional packaging stores 30 tablets, equivalent to 30 liters of organic chlorine, significantly reducing plastic usage in packaging and optimizing storage space by up to 90%. Transportation costs are reduced by up to 90%. Klaxon Tabs provide solutions for sectors such as food and beverage, restaurants, supermarkets, hotels, and food service. As the product holds NSF International certification for compliance with specific safety, quality, sustainability, and performance standards. For the healthcare sector, the product has ENVIMA sanitary registration for medical device disinfection, ensuring suitability for use in the sector. It also has sanitary registrations and endorsements for use in manufacturing, commercial buildings, the pharmaceutical sector, and households. In addition to our chlorine organic tablets, our tablet line includes the following products. Klaxon Tabs Glass Cleaner easily removes marks, scratches, dust, and any type of dirt from glass or crystal surfaces. It has a protective and long-lasting layer that repels water, dirt, and dust. Klaxon Tabs Multipurpose, ideal for cleaning, descaling, degreasing, and removing dirt from tables, walls, ovens, or any area requiring high cleaning and degreasing standards. It performs excellently in kitchens, offices, and rooms, ensuring high effectiveness without surface damage and significantly reducing environmental impact. Klaxon Tabs Renewer and Descaler removes stains, descales, and degreases sinks, toilets, urinals, floors, joints, grouts, showers, bathtubs, towel racks, soap dishes, and ceramic walls in bathrooms and kitchens. It is the ideal product for leaving surfaces shiny and spotless, specialized for periodic and deep cleanings. Klaxon Tabs Floor Freshener, perfect for cleaning and shining the floors of your spaces, ensuring comfortable, safe, and gleaming surfaces. Klaxon is with you down to the smallest detail.